Well, guys, just a little shop update for you guys. So Saturday, we got a little bit of monkeying around that we got done. Tobias, my buddy Tobias and Shae came in today, and they built me this shelf for putting cylinder heads on, so we can keep cylinder heads organized. We're gonna do a similar thing for engines right here, and then this bench is gonna move down. Did a little work on the P-pump 12 valve engine, or the 12 valve rebuild engine. There's another video on that, so I won't get into that, but it's all nice and shiny black with one red valve cover. Tobias got the rest of his couple little things he wanted to get done on his car today after he helped me build the shelf. We got it running, the fans and everything all going on it, so that baby, she's rocking and rolling. She's ready to go get the alignment done on it. And then unfortunately, being we live in Canada, sit for the next few months because it's snowing out. So anyways, oh, and I did, for you guys that were looking for that, I probably already posted the picture, but, or the video. These are the sanding blocks. I got them machined off. All I have to do, I drilled and tapped one in the video, and then I just got to do the same thing to the other ones and paint them. Get some more of these handles and they'll be all ready. 4 are spoken for, 6 still are up for grabs. If you guys want, go over there, comment on the video, and I'll put you in line for one. If I need to do more, I can make more, no problem. And I think that's the way we got all we got on the go for this Saturday. Just thought I'd give you guys a little update. I have guys asking what we got going on Saturday, so this is what we had going on. You can see it's kind of snowy out. So, and it's not overly cold today, but it's cold enough. I think it's about 0 or so. So it's not like super cold, but cold enough. Anyways, if you guys are just surfing around, hit me up. And you got any questions, comments, hit me down below. Like, subscribe, you know, all that good stuff. Hit the bell notification button. Check out all my videos. I got a bunch of videos, a bunch of content for Cummins stuff. More to come, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks, guys.